Right, so this is another question on coordinate geometry, and the question is that if the line joining a point A, which has got the coordinates 1 comma 3, and the point B, which has got the coordinates 3 comma 5, if this line is rotated counterclockwise 15 degrees, then what's the equation of the new line, right? So let's see what that means. So let me first simply just draw a coordinate system. So I'm just going to switch colors. So let's suppose this is our coordinate system. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and we got the points A and B over here, and the line is rotated around point A. I don't know whether I mentioned that, yeah, but this line AB is rotated 15 degrees around point A, which means that once it's rotated, then it actually starts to look something like this. So B moves to C, and this angle over here is 15 degrees. And we are supposed to find the equation of line AC. So AC is equal to what? That's the question. So let me just extend this blue line, which is the one we are supposed to find. Let me just pretend that it extends out over here. So that's not quite straight. So let me see. I can make it look more like an extension. Yeah. So if line AC is extended out, then this is how it will look. And if line AB, which is the original line, is extended out, then it'll look like this, right? So just pretend that these are straight lines. I'll just try to make this a little straighter. Yeah. So that's line AB. The white line is the original line, and the blue line is the new line, which you get by rotating AB by 15 degrees, right? And we are supposed to find the equation of AC. So how do we go about thinking about this problem, right? So well, let's see. So let's suppose this original line AB, it makes an angle with the x-axis of theta. And that angle is theta. So once it's rotated, then the blue line forms a new angle with the x-axis, and let's call that alpha, right? Now, what do we know about theta? Well, actually we don't know anything about theta, but what we do know is that tan theta is equal to the slope of the line AB. So do we know the slope of the line? Well, the slope of the line is easy to calculate. We have A and B. We've got two points, and that's enough to calculate the slope of a line. So slope of AB is simply YB minus YA divided by XB minus XA, which, if we just plug in the values for the coordinates, that becomes 5 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1, which is 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1, right? So what we know is that tan theta, which is equal to the slope of the line AB, is equal to 1. So what is theta? So well, theta is simply tan inverse of 1, and that turns out to be 45 degrees, right? Now this is 45 degrees now. Now once the line is rotated counterclockwise, which is what was done, the line actually becomes steeper. It becomes more acute. So what we know is that alpha is equal to theta plus 15 degrees. Alpha has to be greater than theta because the line's been rotated counterclockwise, so it's steeper now. So if theta is 45 degrees, then alpha would be 45 degrees plus 15 degrees, which is equal to 60 degrees. So alpha is 60 degrees, right? Now how is that helpful? Well, that's helpful because now that we have alpha, we can actually calculate the slope of the line AC, the new line that's going to be there. And the slope of the line AC, which is going to be equal to tan alpha, is going to be simply equal to tan 60 degrees, which turns out to be root 3. Well, actually, which is root 3. So I shouldn't say it turns out to be. It is actually root 3 times 60 is root 3. Now, how does this help us find the equation of the line? Well, the equation of a line AC would simply be y minus ya divided by x minus xa is equal to the slope of line AC. So the line AB was rotated about point A. So the new line, the blue line, is going to continue passing through point A. So we've got one point on the new line AC, and we know its slope. So that's enough to find out the equation of line AC. So so what that means is that y minus 3 divided by x minus 1 is going to be equal to simply root 3, which means, I'll just take this up here, which means that y minus 3 is going to be equal to root 3x minus root 3, or y is equal to root 3x plus 3 minus root 3, right? So this will be the equation of the line AC. So that was the question, and that's how it's done.